पिस्याउने चौथारी होइजा दुई दिनको ए होइजा बिसा दिदी र म बसेका ठाउँमा सलल जियो करामा पुकाइदियो तिमीले मनल जियो करामा पुकाउ कसरी.
This video is about an unforgettable adventure as we embark on a thrilling road trip to RARA Lake, located at western part of Nepal in Muku district of the Karnali region. Let's call it an unplanned or an unforgettable trip which we had traveled in the year 2020. I was on my way to Butol to celebrate one of the biggest festivals in Nepal called the Sai. And my friends Parul and Saurav were on their way to Mustang to enjoy the vacation which lies beyond 1,000-meter peaks of Annapurna and Dhaulagiri. But let's call it destiny. It had different plans for us. Making it short, we all ended up at Chitwan and stayed at Landmark Forest Park in Sauraha, where we came up with a new plan to visit RARA Lake by road before the Sai. The next day, we started our journey from Chitwan to Nepalganj. I'm baggage luggage है सबै पारुल मेरो सौरभको के रे के भनिस्
Boys having fun, huh?
त पनि बोइज है
I'm the man.
Let's go.
Tea and banana for breakfast.
Bye.
Yellow. Yellow, yellow. Yellow, yellow.
The journey from Chitwan to Nepalganj is around 413 kilometers, 256 miles, and the estimated time to arrival was 10 hours. We were seamlessly following our track on time, but shit happens. We encountered a small accident on our way. Luckily, nobody was harmed. As everything was sorted, we continued our journey and reached Kohalpur late at 9 p.m.
यति मात्रै बजेटै थिएन क्या
सट्टा छिर भित्र जान बानिस्की We had a great fulfilling meal at Hotel Central Plaza Kohalpur and stayed our night with a deep sleep to prepare us for the next day. So beautiful people, हिजो चाहिँ मैले भ्लग गर्न पाएन बिकज हामी पारुल म सौरभ चाहिँ वेयर इन डिफ्रेन्ट प्लेसेस होइन. सौरभ र पारुल चाहिँ दे एक्चुली वेन्ट टु मुस्ताङ तर त्यहाँ जान नपाएर दे केम ब्याक अनि उनीहरू चाहिँ हाम्रो साथी मुनिकाको बिहेको लागि प्रिपेयर भइरहेको थियो. सो वी वेन्ट देयर त्यसपछि चाहिँ हामी फर्केर आयो एन्ड वी प्लान फर रारा अन द वे होइन. अनि त्यसपछि हामी सिधै यताउता काहीँ पनि केही पनि नखिचिकन सिधै यहाँ आयो यो कोहलपुर भन्ने ठाउँमा आइपुग्यो. हिजो राति वी टुक लाइक 10 to 12 आवर्स राइड जस्तो गऱ्यो हामीले. सो आज चाहिँ हामी राराको लागि वेयर मुभिङ. साह्रै फोहोर भयो, खिच्न गाह्रो भयो, यसरी पुस्नु पर्छ. चिलिक्क पार्नु पर्छ होइन त. अगाडि बसेको पछाडि बस्छौ. It is the second day of our journey, where we planned to travel from Kohalpur to Surkhet and reach Manma Kalikot at the end.
अहिले सुर्खेत त्यसपछि दैलेख कालीकोट जुम्ला दैलेखमा वीरेन्द्रनगर छ कालीकोट र जुम्लामा चाहिँ
दैलेखमा we're having lunch and
जुम्लामा चाहिँ हामी बस्न लाग्यो अनि त्यसपछि बिहान मुगुमा जाने
मुगु जाने माथि.
This is the place where Saurav fell on his ass and ruined his t-shirt.
Tell her to get Saurabh Bukhari. Lord Hogan. His ass got hurt. His ass got hurt. हेर एस भरि लागेछ पुरै टी सर्टै खोल्दा सोल्टीले. मोबाइल टर्निङ आउँदैछ है अब. वे सीधा बाटा है. सीधा बाटा आयो. Relax. As we were enjoying the beautiful landscapes on the way, the roads got more bumpier and dusty. The journey was filled with unexpected twists and turns, making it a truly unforgettable experience. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Episode 2 will be uploaded soon. Thank you for watching my vlogs. I hope you enjoyed. हाम्रो के ठाउँको नाम के अरे मनमा मनमा